I cannot recommend the Ozito variable speed airless sprayer enough. Honestly, this is a representation in real speed how fast on full speed it goes, a couple of meters in seconds. Honestly, this panel here, you'll see at the end the scope of the size of it, literally took about 5 minutes, not even. First coat, you literally fly through it. Water down the paint a bit, because you're spraying it, it has to be a bit thinner. And then literally just spray it and you can see it. Go left to right, up and down, get all the nooks and crannies. Honestly, anyone can do it. Anyone. Hire one, buy one, then put it on Gumtree, cash converters, get rid of it if you don't need it again. Facebook Marketplace, it is honestly amazing. And you'll save yourself literally thousands in getting a contractor in. And if you overspray, brush a roller, thin it out, roll it out, and honestly, it's just so satisfying to do it yourself. Look, done all that in a couple of minutes. Not even joking. This video is just over a minute long, and I covered half of it. I'm just touching up some little bits now. I could not recommend it enough. It's only about $400.